January 20th, 2015. How old is this Roborowski?
I don't know also. She just let me bring it here.
The left foot, yeah. Now it seems so quiet, nah?
Yeah, but she's naughty.
But you will catch him only, he will.
No, catching with like the ball one, and then put some food.
He'll bite you. I'm surprised it's so quiet there. Study it. Looks like it's not moving. No. Does he eat or not?
Yeah.
Drink?
Yes.
She does, but normally not so quiet. They will walk up and down here and there. How old is she? Is she?
I don't know.
Looks like a big wound. I can see from the video here. A big wound cut across the top of the
she
paw.
She don't know, bite the another one or what?
Or bitten by the other one.
Maybe.
You can see, like, come and see there. Because the usefulness of video is that you don't have to. You see the triangular thing? Oh, that is a wound, lacerated wound.
I put my
and
hand
then becomes straight. Yeah. Then so we don't really need to catch him, you see, because he will run very fast. But from here you can see that. You can see you can eat. Even you can see the tendons in the wound there. So that is the cause. It's either bitten by the other Roborowski or he cut himself. It looks like a bite wound. It's a bite wound, you know.
Bite.
It's a wound. It's a wound.
Bite the another one.
No, the other one bite him.
Another one quite bigger than this one.
Bigger one bite him, yeah. Are you sure it's eating?
Yeah, she's eating.
January 20th, 2015. How old, you don't know, Roborowski, left hind leg injury, traumatic injury.